Hey guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial. Today we'll explain how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is set up both apps. Open the Sweatcoin app first. If you can see that you've generated some Sweatcoins in your balance, that means the app is working properly. Next, open the Sweat Wallet app. It should automatically detect your account and ask you to link it. Once it's linked, that means your Sweat Wallet is also set up correctly. Now, to send your Sweatcoin to your Sweat Wallet, click on Balance in the Sweatcoin app. Here you'll see the total amount of Sweatcoins you've earned. Tap on Sweat, and it should automatically open the Sweat Wallet app. If it loads the Sweat Wallet automatically, that means your balance has been sent. To confirm this, click on Send. It will show how much your sweat is worth in dollars. For example, you might see something like 9 cents under Near Protocol, which means your 108 Sweatcoins are worth 9 cents. You can also check your portfolio to see your total balance. If you see your total amount there, for example, 8 or 9 cents, that means your Sweatcoins have successfully transferred to your Sweat Wallet. Leave a like and subscribe.